How to change your eBay username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your username on eBay. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to change the eBay username, you will not be able to do it if you're using a mobile application. So instead we have to launch our browser and you have to go to ebay.com. Once you go to ebay.com, you can see I'm currently logged into one of my accounts. So make sure you're logged in as well. Once you log in, just tap on your profile icon, which you see at the very top of the screen. Make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on your profile icon, you'll see all this type of options at the bottom. You have to select the option that says account, and as soon as you select the option called account over here, you'll be able to see the tab that says personal info, and you have to go to the one that's personal information. Now in order to access personal information, you might need to enter your password. In my case, I've already entered it, so it's not asking me to for a second time verification. And you can see our username, and in order to change or edit it, just tap on the edit button, and here you simply want to enter the new username that you might want to use. Once you enter the new username you want to use, you'll not be able to change it for the next 30 days, so keep that in mind, and just tap on the save button, which is at the bottom of the screen. And once you've done so, your username will be successfully updated on eBay. And that's all it takes to change your eBay username. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.